we are here in the Storytime room in your library at Stark Elementary. Yesterday was May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. So we are going to do a Star Wars book. This is Rey and Pals. This one is not AR, but it's just a fun book. Don't look at me. I didn't give her a lightsaber. Do you have any red fives? Go fish. Stop taking my hand. Show me again the power of the dark side. Click. Very funny. Are you sure you don't want me to make dinner? I think I can take care of myself. Oh heavens, she's got chocolate chip cookies, chocolate syrup, cereal, gummy bears, marshmallows, ice cream, and a chocolate bar. I'm not sure if that's dinner, guys. Permission to go outside and play? Permission granted. I know you can see me. They're playing pin the tail on the donkey. At this very moment, in a playground far from here, lies a flag supporting the treachery of the loathsome resistance. This fierce fort which you have built, upon which we stand. He takes capture the flag seriously, huh? Whee! Oh, they're doing a course. The belongs you seek is not behind you, it is ahead. Oh, I didn't have my glasses on. I hope I was right. They're going down the sand dune. I'm not sure you want to let Master Luke see you in that costume, BB-8. Phew, it's hot. Splash, splash, splash. Oof, so much dirt. Ew. Want your jacket back? No, you keep it. Hey, no fair. Go away, but we brought you donuts. That was a cheap move. They're catching snowflakes. What's that? Rey is letting me borrow one of her outfits. He's talking to that imaginary Rey girl again. You will bring Skywalker to me. We'll be back around 8. Have fun, you guys. And they're having a dance party now. Master Skywalker, we've got to leave and go help my friends right now. They're in trouble. Familiar? This sounds, Oh, they're doing the seesaw with Chewie, but he's too heavy. Next, we have Finn with a report on the Star Killer base. The Star Killer base is big, really big. It uses the power of the sun as the weapon is charged. Red Rover, send Holdo right over. Oh, she crashes all of them. Oh, and everybody's painting. Copycat. The dungeon is locked. Without a code breaker, your plan is shot. What do? I can do it. Give me that D20. Come on, boy, fetch. Now they're having a water party. Take that ridiculous thing off. No fair. What about them? No Jedi allowed. Now they're having a cookout. Oh, playing basketball. It's the Millennium Falcon. It's R2-D2. It's Luke Skywalker. It's... Never mind. They're riding on the carousel. Finders keepers. She found a lightsaber. Marco. Polo. Oh, they got eaten. Happens to me all the time. Use the toggle to the left to switch between missiles, cannons, and mag pulse. Use the button on the right to aim. Center to fire. This is complicated. If you want to take out the garbage, you can wash the dishes. The garbage will do. This is my first concert. What are we doing here? Do you have a hall pass? Hey, you can't switch sides, traitor. I've got a bad feeling about this. I'm sure it's just a phase. Found you. The end. And that was Rey and Pals. They had lots of fun.